So I'm quite familiar with the Hayabusa glove. The insides feel immediately very similar to the T3 version and the Marvel edition. It definitely feels quite snug in here, quite snug to get my thumb in. Immediately I feel like a little bit of pressure on my thumb. I just feel like my specific hand shape is a bit weird and doesn't fit amazingly in gloves anyway, so I feel like I'm pushing up against about here rather than I am all the way over here. And getting my fingers in feels a little bit of a difficulty, but that grip feels really nice.